everyone, my fellow friends, followers. Some of you know me, and some people might not know me. But I decided to come online and to publicly say something that has been on my heart, that has been so heavy for more than 13 years now, which I've struggled and struggled. I've tried all means, I've tried all my avenues, I've made efforts, frantic efforts. I've tried to appease the same woman. Can I ask you an emotional question? Mothers, women, even grandmothers, aunties, do you know what it means? And do you know how it feels when you give birth to a child? You carry the child in your stomach for 9 months. You breastfeeded the child, you took care of the child. And then along the line, somebody just came up from nowhere and unlawfully took your child away from you without your consent. This woman took away my child from me without my consent. It was unlawful. It was not legalized. It was not accepted by me. I did not agree to that. And she forcefully took the child away from me. My own blood, my own gene that I carried in my stomach. She took this child away from me unlawfully without my consent. The child got to her through the father, because my child was with the father of my child. So I don't know what agreement, financial agreement or financial obligations they must have agreed together between themselves. And then this man sold my child out to this woman. Until date, for more than 13 years now, I've been making calls, I've been sending people, I've been talking to the father of my child, and the same woman that abducted my child without my consent, that stole my child, that kidnapped my child without my consent. It was unlawful, remember, and it was illegal. This woman has my daughter, and I've been making frantic efforts to talk to her, to appease to her, to, make ends meet in whichever way we can, agree at a consensus, so that I can even communicate, talk to my child, to even see my child, to have my child. I have made several efforts, like sending gifts to my child, trying to talk to my child, sent people there, and then she has blocked more than 50 people. She has abused so many people. She has criticized so many people. She even went as far as threatening people, threatening co-wishers and co-helpers that want to help me in this issue. She has threatened, life threats, threatening their life, to kill them, to injure them, to make their life miserable. Apart from the other things she has done to me, which is spiritually, which I cannot be saying here. I need help, please. I have made all my efforts. I have done all what I'm supposed to do. I need international organizations, human rights organizations, children organizations, UNICEF, WHO, to please help me. I am ready to go for a DNA test to prove and to vindicate myself that I am the rightful owner of this child. This woman has gone as far as making documents in Spain. She has gone to their consulars, she has gone to some organizations and made papers on this, my daughter. This woman I am talking about, she lives presently in Spain as of today. Her name is Remi Helen Odumosu. Her name is Remi Helen Odumosu. I will try as much as possible if I can send a picture so you can all see it. Human rights organizations, I need your help, please. WHO, UNICEF, bloggers, embassies, I need your help. This woman has made this a serious war for more than 13 years now. And she's telling everyone that the child is hers. Whereas this child is not hers. So she did not give birth to this child. She did not carry this child in her stomach. She decided to keep the child to herself. I did not beg her to take care of the child. She decided to keep the child to herself because she is barren and she does not want to release another woman's child. I am not the one behind your predicament, Remi Odumosu. I was not the one that said you should abort many years ago. And then you punctured your womb, you destroyed your life. And you cannot have children. I am not the one behind your predicament. I am not the one. So why would you sit on my child and you went to make fake documents claiming that Oyindamola Majekodumi is your child? This woman even gave my daughter another name. She gave her Blessing. You guys can go to her Facebook page and check Remi Odumosu. Her full name is Remi Helen Odumosu. But she used my daughter's picture as a Facebook page. That child is not hers. It's my own daughter, my own blood. Please, international organizations, human rights organizations, UNICEF, international bodies, human rights activist group, I am ready. As far as you want us to, I am ready for us to start this battle. Please come to my aid. Come to my aid. As I post this video and as my friends see it, please share as much as possible that you can share it to different organizations that can help me. I need help. That is why I came out publicly. Because I can no longer hold it. Please, I need help. Help me, women. Help me, mothers. This woman, because she's barren, says she will not release my child to me. This is my own child, though. This is the child that I gave birth to in labor room. I have been trying several efforts. It is dying. I have no strength again. I need help. I need help. I need help. Please, friends, well-wishers, able bodies and organizations, come to my aid. I am ready to do whatever it takes. I am ready for a DNA test. I am ready for everything. She has documents right now. She has documents backing her up. She even has birth certificates. And when I gave birth to this child, I gave birth to this child in a different country, in Morocco. Even my birth certificate right now, I don't even know where I can lay my hand on. This woman has made birth certificates on a child that is not hers. This woman has made documents on a child that she should not give birth to. Please, everybody go to her page. Her name is Remi Helen Odumosu. I need help. Share this video as much as you can. And whoever wants to contact me can contact me, please. On my email, simisola.dada@yahoo.com. And my number is +1 347 998 5469. +1 347 998 5469. Hoping to hear from you soon. Thank you very much. And have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.